Welcome back to another episode of Modded Motors. Today we're gonna keep it light. We're gonna talk about our local Alfa dealer a little bit today. But honestly, I think the lights came out really good. I'm digging the no front bumper look. If I could like paint these all black, I don't know, kind of dig it, right?
No front bumper?
Or is that ghetto?
It's a little...
Yeah, it's a little ghetto, but it's a little nice.
What?
So we got some good news, bad news. We went to Alfa Romeo Fort Worth to do a Denali event. We had a really good time. We met the owners, we met their marketing department. They pretty much said, hey, we would love to work with you guys, make some content with you guys, do a full GTAM unveiling at their dealership. Even put us potentially on their website. It is very nice to get recognized by Alfa Romeo Fort Worth. So after this goes to paint, we're supposed to go there. They told us to call them after we have our baby, which they knew we were obviously because Crystal was pregnant when we went. After we have the baby, give them a call, and we'll set up a dinner to finalize everything. Bad news, we just found out through Facebook that Alfa Romeo Fort Worth is closing. So I don't know if they try to gaslight us or if that's just extremely unfortunate timing. They really said all that, and I don't know. After Thanksgiving, we didn't get a call back. We're like, huh, that's a little unusual. And then we realized they're closing down, so they don't. I'm like, they will no longer exist. They're turning into a tractor factory by the end of July 2nd, I think.
Really sad. Which
is really sad for us. Really sad because they were my go-to, honestly, for parts and service. So now our next two options are Plano, which is like an hour away, or Hearst, which I have beef with. So here's my thought process with so many dealers closing down. That dealership was one of our better dealers. So if they're closing down, honestly, it doesn't look like a good sign for me. I was genuinely taking that Alfa in the back there to them to get rebuilt with them. So the fact that they're closing is super sketch.
We're a little worried about our brand too.
I know Alfa Romeo's not doing that hot here in the States. I just don't know how hot they're not doing. Again, not a big deal. We have two other dealerships that we can go to, but I know they price gouge at both the dealerships, which is no bueno. So we're gonna have to go to an outside Alfa dealer, which would be 911 Automotive. But I don't know, it's not a good sign. I don't like that that's happening. But anyways, it's not good that that's happening, and it makes me a little worried for Alfa Romeo's future, which would mean for us, if Alfa stops selling here in the States, that we would have to switch cars at some point. So this might be the last Alfa back there that I buy. Because I just don't know the certainty of the future. And I don't know. Scarier thing is a lot of Alfa dealers are closing. So that just sketches us out that more and more are closing. And I never thought our Fort Worth would close. Of the last one standing, I thought it would be them. Because like one of our Alfa dealers, Bishop, has been rebought and sold like 4 or 5 different times. So I was like, for sure they're gonna close at some point. There's 76% of you guys who are still not subscribed. It is freezing cold out here. There's still 76% of you guys who are still not subscribed. So I figured you may not know us as well as I think you guys know us. So we figured we'll do a little bit of a get to know us type of thing here during the Vlogmas season. If you guys don't know that we're currently running Vlogmas, I know the ones that are returning, I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing it, but this is for any of the new viewers. We are giving away a race selector. All you have to do is comment on all the videos during the December time frame. You do not have to comment exactly when they upload. You have till January 1st to go back, comment, watch the other ones. So you don't have to come back every single day, but you do have to go watch them all before the end of December. That makes sense?
Yes.
I don't think I explained it right, and I think people were confused. So
I'm just rushing to
They're rushing to watch the video. So we missed 2 videos already. In all reality, we're probably gonna miss some more. We're gonna miss some more because it's hard, man.
It's hard out here.
It's hard to do all of it, and like I know what I committed to. I knew I wasn't gonna do all of them during the Vlogmas. So I think some of you guys expected us to do all of the videos during Vlogmas, and I appreciate you guys' thought to my commitment. I just can't. I think in total, I'm trying to miss only 5 days, which would bring us to 20 videos. On the off chance I miss more than that, I apologize. But we have to let some of our videos breathe. Like our last video hasn't hit 1,000 views yet, and I want to give it some time to breathe out there. And so obviously we're going to drop this one as late as possible. I know I said earlier, but I'm going to try to drop it as late as possible to make sure the other video has room to breathe. If they hit over 1,000 views, I know the video is going to trend in the right direction forever on YouTube. If it doesn't hit over 1,000 views, it's destined to stay
where it's at.
That's my opinion.
Yeah.
So I try to let my videos hit over 1,000. We got more giveaways to let you guys know about. The pins. We told you guys once we sold out of the pins, we would give away the carbon fiber mirror caps. That is still going on. I think we have like 25 pins left. Once those 25 pins are gone, we're gonna give off the carbon fiber mirror caps to whoever wins them. So there's 2 giveaways going. We're gonna do a 3rd giveaway. Now this one, I'm not expecting you guys to hit, but if we hit 100,000 views, which we're on track to do, if we hit 100,000 views for this month and hit 6,000 subscribers, we'll give away a QV steering wheel, a 2020 QV steering wheel. I don't really want to give that away. I'm just putting it out there. If you guys hook us up and you watch the video like 20 times and you guys subscribe from your mother, brother, son's account, and you hit 6,000 subscriibers, I will give the steering wheel away as a huge thank you to you guys. But again, that one's going to be...
That means everyone in the 76%
needs to be subscribed. Yeah, that would help us out a lot.
So if you're not subscribed, I'm talking to you.
That's like 1,000 subscribers right there.
That's a lot of people.
That's a lot of people that's not subscribed. So I'm not expecting you guys to hit it, but if you guys did hit it, there's a huge surprise. So, you know, huge win. That steering wheel, I think Alfisimo sent for like $1,800. So, I mean, you know, it's used, but hey, you can't complain with use. I want to let you guys know about the 3 giveaways. We want to let you guys know that Alpha dealer is closing and they screwed us. We wanted to let you guys know.
Don't say that.
They did, dude. We were totally stoked.
No, we were so hyped.
We're like, dude, the Alpha community.
We're telling our family and friends,
like the Alpha community is going to be so stoked that Alpha is now behind us at a dealership. And now they just gaslight us. I've never felt like a girl being gaslit until recently.
Stop it.
Yeah. You're going to be the main one. Yeah. Just come on down. We're going to partner together. We're going to be together forever.
I've seen your stuff.
We've seen your stuff. Just kidding.
Just kidding. You sick.
I got ghosted.
Oh, yeah. Literally.
The whole place disappeared. Anyways, a little get to know us. We're going to try to do 5 facts if you guys care about us. 5 facts about us. 1, I'm originally from California. I know a lot of you guys know that, but a lot of you guys who don't know that. I moved out here to Texas in 2015. Right now, if you guys don't know, we are in Dallas, Texas. That is where I moved in 2015, and I met my beautiful wife in 2019. More facts about me. Before a content creator and a YouTuber, I really wanted to be a musician. I'm not a musician, so nor am I ever going to sing or play for you guys. I'm not even kind of close to that level. I just want to let you guys know that those were my hopes and dreams before. I wasn't good. That was not saying that I'm good at all. I'm just saying that's what I want.
I wasn't even practicing.
I wasn't even trying. You know, here's a picture of me at a concert, so I was close. Not really, but in my head I was super close. Another fun fact about me, I used to sell cars. I know you guys know that. But way before that, my grandpa used to actually own his own automotive shop, and that's where I spent a lot of my childhood. And I was raised around old American cars. So my uncle had 2 6.4 Impalas. Pretty much all of my mom's side of my family was super into cars. Old school American, and my dad was obviously into classic American cars. So that's what I was raised around. I don't know when I found the fascination with older Japanese. I'm pretty sure it was when I was in junior high and I saw my first Datsun. But yeah, I've been raised around cars my entire life, but mainly American cars. Actually, pretty much all American cars. I'm trying to think of good facts to give you guys, and I try to give you guys some BS facts like Crystal's about to give you guys.
Dude, I don't have any good stuff to give.
Another thing about me is I'm really into tech. 2013, I was invited into the Google Glass program, so I had to pair up Google Glass, which I think was still the most revolutionary product of our generation that was completely thrown under the bus by the media. But really into tech outside of like...
And a 5th fact is you went to the movies so much they would get invited to the...
That's a good fact. I love movies. If you guys didn't know, me and Chris, I honestly considered before doing YouTube being a movie reviewer. I used to go to the movies so much in California that I actually got invited a lot to go do like movie screenings, private screenings, trailer screenings. I was in a lot of focus groups. I've been in the theater with Seth Rogen when one of the Christmas movie came out. Yeah, I've signed a lot of NDAs. I was in a lot of different, a lot of, and those rooms are very sketchy because they just invite you by like a card and they're like, hey, call this number. And then you go to this corporate building and like sit in this,
like kind of like Squid Games type vibe.
It really, like sit in this private room with all these random people and just don't talk. That's a good fact about me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I should have been either a musician, a content creator for tech, which I really wanted to do, or a content creator for movies. Cars was like the last of the list.
Yeah.
Okay, Crystal's 5 facts. I don't know if that was 5 facts, but 4 or 5 facts.
5. Okay. 1, I was born in El Paso, Texas, but I was not raised there. We left maybe like when I was 5 years old. So I've been in Dallas my entire life. I know it doesn't look like it, so don't judge my face right now, but I really like makeup.
That's a fair one, yeah.
I used to do like crazy eyeshadows in like high school in my little like Dollar General eyeshadow palettes.
Yeah. I wanted to go to cosmetology school.
So I wanted to go to cosmetology school. I really love makeup. I'm the girl that's watching makeup videos for entertainment. So
you wanted to be a content creator for makeup. Before.
Then I got stuck into this job. So.
Somehow I'm into cars now.
Fact number 3, I've just started getting into cars when I met Ricky.
No, that's her first cool car is technically this car. Yeah. The Giulia. Crystal technically owns, that's a good fact. Crystal technically owns the Giulia. And her first modification was on camera, which was the spoiler.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God, yeah. My first mod was the spoiler.
Yeah.
So what I drove before the Giulia is a 2008 Honda Accord.
And then she went from that to driving a Mark IV Supra, and then was like, ooh, I would like a nice car to modify. And then she got the Giulia.
Yeah.
She called my Supra busted out. She thought her 08 Honda Accord.
No.
She thought her 08 Honda Accord was better than my Supra because my Supra didn't have AC. What a dumb.
Who doesn't have AC in their car?
She thought I was too poor to afford AC.
I'm like, ooh, ghetto.
She thought her 08 Honda Accord was better than my Mark IV Supra.
Dog, it was hot.
Like, we can take my car, actually. Poor boy.
Get in touch. I'll drive us.
That's so embarrassing. She's like, oh, gosh.
Oh, my God. I'm going to have to pay for dinner.
That's messed up, dude.
What, dude? I thought...
Okay.
A long time ago, I want to say 8 years ago, I used to be a correctional officer.
Oh, that's a cool one.
I'm not going to say where, not even a location, but...
She used to arrest people and prisoners.
It was a male and female facility, and I dealt with both. So, that was a long time ago, though.
Basically, she's saying she's good at fighting if you ever catch her on the streets.
So if you ever want... No, I'm just kidding. If you want to throw hands.
If you ever want to throw hands. Yeah, she doesn't look like a correctional officer, but she used to be one.
I used to be one.
She was actually going to be part of their SWAT team that they had.
I really want to visit Italy one day.
That was what's funny is that was Crystal's like wish before we even got into Italian cars was to go to Italy.
This is my dream, okay? So for the people that are watching over there, I want to go to Italy, and then I want to get a pizza and wine, and then get in one of those little boats, and then just have someone like row me in the ocean while I eat my pizza and drink my wine. Yeah. That's a dream.
That was literally what she told me on one of our first dates.
If I ever go to Italy...
You know what we'll be doing.
Yeah, I'll be there. Eating pizza and wine.
We want to keep it pretty light today. Tomorrow we're jumping into multi-ECU scan. One, we knew we weren't going to have enough time to go through everything. And Yeah, we just wanted to get to know you guys a little bit better because a lot of you guys aren't subscribed. Another fact just about us is we love creating content in general.
We really started this channel before all of this happened was for our kids.
Yeah.
So they can see videos.
Watch us.
Of their parents.
I always thought there was a YouTuber, I think he's canceled now, but Smurfin WRX. But he created content so his kids can watch back his building his cars over the years. And so that's what my theory was like YouTube will outlive me. So one day my kids can go back and watch me creating content. You know, that's what I started doing. Documenting the build, and then randomly we kind of started getting traction, and like this turned into something completely different.
Turned into a whole business.
But that it was supposed to be for like my kids to watch me and their mom.
And your mom.
Not gonna lie and say like we didn't think of the monetary value of it, but like I guess it had double the process. And now now Alfa Romeo knows who we are and canceled us at the same time. So
damn. Should we title this "We Got Ghosted" by Alfa Romeo?
That's what we should title.
Should we title it?
Alfa Romeo ghosted us. Quite literally.
My heart broke.
But yeah, we appreciate you guys watching us. We appreciate everybody who's really been supporting us. You guys clearly don't know what it means to us. But I remember, you know, watching my view count, getting like 100 views. Now we're going up to like 1,000 views on every video. This month alone, we've already passed, getting close to 50,000 views. We were past 50,000 views. We're getting close to 60,000 views. Growing subscribers like crazy. So I can't say how much we greatly appreciate you, how much this truly means to us. And yeah, we love all of you guys, and we'll see you guys later. Tomorrow. I don't know.
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see how we wake up.
You get us when you get it. Trying to think of good facts to give you guys, and I try to give you guys some BS facts like Crystal's about to give you guys.
Dude, I don't have any good stuff to give.
Okay, come on.
I can do a kickstand.